This time around, the island is so windy. I mean, it feels good, but it's not good for the microphone. It's windy. It's windy. You know, I came here for the drone, and it's windy. I mean, they are windmills, right? All right, let me evaluate this again. Been here before. This is the same windmill that I flew the drone out of that year.
The wind is blowing and the windmill is going round, 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 round. The wind is blowing and the windmill is going round, 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 round. Up the hill, standing still, and the wind comes blowing and blowing. Up the hill, standing still, and the wind comes blowing and blowing. The wind is blowing and the windmill is going round, 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 round.
It was not this windy. Listen, I'm from Florida. Those are hurricane winds. I don't know what miles per hour that is, but you can't stand up not sending the drone up, right? I'm not flying the drone. I mean, it's obvious. I can't stand up out here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm not going to fly the drone. You do not get a drone shot. I didn't get the shot that I wanted, but I get to keep my camera equipment, which is very important. I'm lost. But you're never lost if you find a friend. Hey, beautiful. Hi, sweetie. Hey. Hello. Oh, I wish I had some apples. Should always keep apples, huh? I should keep apples. Hello. Hello, my name is Tony. Hello, I know. You just want to smell? Okay. We can do that. I know, look at your flies. Okay. Well, you sure are friendly. I know. I'm going to name you, okay? I'm going to call you Coco. Okay. Oh, a little scratch behind the ear. I got to go. It was a pleasure to meet you. Huh? I know. It was a pleasure to meet you. Later on, Coco. You want to break a donkey's heart? Then don't allow them to be in twos, a pair. Their dynamic functions better that way. All right, one of the many benefits, and I mean many benefits, of traveling alone is to be fully challenged while 100% non-compromised. Translation? Translation? Meaning? I got up at 2 a.m. this morning. I edited videos. I got video off the memory cards. I've been busy running around. It's 10:30 in the morning, and I'm going back to the apartment to go to bed. Oh, yeah. For a while. You ready for this? And here's my favorite part. Are you ready for this? I don't have to ask permission. That's the best part. That's worth the price of admission right there.